And welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Word 2024 in practice, chapter 1, guided project 1 to 2. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course deal on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, and all Microsoft Access. If you need help in any class, you can contact me through my WhatsApp link and email. I will handle your class with a plus grade. And I can do all online courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, MyLab Management, Business classes, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online classes. So today our project is Word 2024 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 2. So click the start filing, the complete the project using the instruction below. Click on start file. File will be downloaded in our PC download folder. We will open our this file. So click on enable editing button because this file is in protected view. Okay. You can see this is title. Okay, guided project, want to do simnet project. Skill covered in this project is here. Open and edit an existing document, change the spacing, change paragraph spacing, use show hide. This is all skill covered in this project. So okay, add document properties. So here is the step to complete this project. Mark the step as checked when you complete them. So question number 1, open the online learning 1 document start file. If the document open in protected view, click the enable editing button so you can modify it. This is first point which I have done. Also I have click on enable editing button. So this file is okay, is not protected view. So question number 3 is that question number 2 is that the file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So question number 3 is here. Change the line spacing and paragraph spacing for the entire document. Press Ctrl plus A to select the entire document. Okay, press Ctrl plus A to select the entire document. So point B is that click the paragraph launcher to open the paragraph dialog box. Home tab in the layout tab, in the layout group. Go to the home tab. In the layout group, we will click on paragraph dialog box. So click the line spacing drop down list and list select multiple. Okay, line spacing is here. We will right click on this arrow and we will select is multiple. Line spacing is multiple. So point D is that type 1.2 in the add text box. We will type 1.2 at the add text box. Okay. So point F is that click OK to close the paragraph dialog box. This question is done. So question number 4 is that we will click OK to close paragraph dialog box. Question number 4 is that delete blank lines in the document. Turn on show hide. Turn on show hide. Okay, home tab paragraph group. We will go to the home tab in the paragraph group. Click on turn on show hide button. So point B, delete the extra black lines between each paragraph including the blank lines after the title. Okay. So question number 5 is that change the font for the entire document. Select the entire document, Control plus A. So change the font to Cambria. Home tab, font group. We will go to the home tab with the font group. We will click on font style and we will select Cambria font style. So question number 6 is that change the paragraph spacing, alignment, font size, style effect and color of the title. Change the paragraph spacing, alignment, font size, style effect and color of the title. Point A of question number 6, select the title of the document. Online learning information. We will select the title of document, online learning information. So title is selected. Then click the layout tab. We will click the layout tab. Go to the layout tab. We will change the before spacing to 36 point and after spacing to 18 point paragraph group. Okay, before spacing to 36 point, after spacing to 18 point. After is 18 point. Okay, this is good. So point D is that click the center button, home tab, paragraph group. Home tab in the paragraph group, click on center button. This is great. So point E is that click the font launcher, home tab, font group, the font dialog box. Okay, we will click on home. Go to the home tab in the font group, click on we will open our font dialog box, font launcher dialog box. Okay, change the font style to bold and change the font size to 24. So first we will change the font style to bold and font size to 24. 24. Okay, point G is that click the small caps checkbox in the effects area. We will in the effects area, we will click the small cap checkbox. So point H is that click the font color drop down list and choose dark blue text 2. Dark blue text 2, fourth color in the first row of the. Okay, you can see dark blue text 2. So point I is that click the advanced tab. We will click the advanced tab. So point J is that click the spacing drop down list and select expanded. Change the by to 1.2 point. Click the spacing drop down list and select expanded. Okay, we will click the spacing drop down list and select expanded. You can see drop down list is here and select expanded. So change the by to 1.2 point. Okay, scale is 100%. Okay, change the bar to 1.2 point. Okay, so click to close the font dialog box. Okay, we will go to our documentation sheet and we will click on OK button. So this question is done. So the next instruction is here. Okay, I have done 6 question of this project right now. So we can move on to the next question. Question number 7. Move paragraphs in the document and insert a heading. Select the last paragraph in the document, including the paragraph mark at the end of the paragraph. Space is here. Okay, select the last paragraph. First we will find this paragraph, including the paragraph mark at the end of the paragraph. Select the last paragraph. First we will select the last paragraph. Okay, point B, click the cut button and press Ctrl plus X. Home tab and clipboard group. We will go to the home tab. In the clipboard group we will find the cut button. In the clipboard group we will see cut button. So place your insertion point before the second line of document. Place your insertion point second line of document. So point D, click the top of half and paste button. Okay. So point D, click the beginning of the pasted paragraph and type where we know with online learning. So click the beginning of the pasted paragraph and type where we know with online learning and press enter. We will copy this beginning of the and we will paste here. Okay, click at the beginning of the pasted paragraph and type here. We will type here. So point F is here. Select the paragraph that begin. Point F. Select the paragraph that begins synchronous online course, including the paragraph mark at the end of the paragraph. Okay, you can see I have select this paragraph. So point G is that move this paragraph using the drag option. Okay, I have done this project. I have submit for my student. If you need help in this project, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do complete MC Grahil simnet class for you with a plus grade. And I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access, and each and everything. My lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online classes. If you need help in any class, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you this complete class. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.